Suddenly, a deafening boom echoes across the sky, rattling windows and hearts. This isn't an isolated incident. It's part of a global symphony of unexplained sonic events. From the eerie hum to sudden, powerful sky booms, these sounds defy simple explanation. Scientists theorize meteorologists, geological shifts, even secret military tests. But what if the truth is stranger? The world continues to listen, searching for answers in the echoing silence. What secrets lie within these sonic enigmas? The mystery persists,